Okay, so practice problem 1. They want us to calculate the slope of lines A and B. Then there's going to be some questions on the next slide. Okay, so let's just calculate the slopes. So let's do line A first. Okay, so for line A, I have the origin. The next point I can use is right here. So I see 4, 8, 12, but they're not counting the spaces in between. So that's 2, and then 4, and then 6, 8. So we're counting by 2s. And then for Y, we're actually counting by 1s. Okay, so let's get some ordered pairs. For line A, I have 0, 0. And then I have 2, 1. And then if I keep going, it's every point, basically. The next one would be 4, 2. Okay, I'm good at rise over run, so I'm going to use it. And I'm just going to I go up 1 and right 1. But my y-axis is going up by 1. And my x-axis is going over, it looks like 1, but it's actually 2. So the slope for line A is 1 over 2. What does this mean? Y stands for number of pages. So 1 page per 2 what? 2 minutes. All right. Reading rate. So line A, this person reads 1 page every 2 minutes. I'll switch colors and we'll do line B. This is a different person, and this is how fast they read. So still 0, 0. The next point I can use is all the way up here. And those are the only 2 points I can use. I'm going to do rise over run again. So my rise, counting by 1s, is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's where that came from. And my run is 2, but we're not counting by 2s. We're not counting by 1, we're counting by 2. So instead of counting 1, 2, I count 2, 4. So this person, I can reduce that by dividing by 2 over 2. So this person reads 3 pages in 2 minutes. So person B reads faster because person A only reads 1 page in 2 minutes, but person B reads 3 pages in 2 minutes. So next slide, we're going to have answers. So person A, person B, just to refresh my memory, 1 page per minute, 3 pages per minute. All right. The slope of line A is 2. That's false. It's not 2. It's 1 over 2. It's 1/2. If it were 2, it would have been 2 over 1, but it's flipped. The slope of line B is 3 over 2. Yes, that's true. Adele reads 1 page per 2 minutes. I'm guessing Adele is person A. Okay, yes, she does. Bryant takes 1.5 minutes to read a page. Okay. I don't know the speed for 1 page. I know the speed for 3 pages. So if I want 1 page, then I need my denominator to be 1. So I'm going to divide this by 2. Okay, so now this is 1 minute. And this is 1.5 pages because 3 over 2 is what I would get. And that's 1.5 or 1.5. So he doesn't read 1 page in 1.5 minutes. He reads 1.5 pages in a minute. So they flip this, right? This one is confusing. It might make you want to say yes, but this is false because this is 1 over 1.5, but that's not what we figured out, right? It's not 1 page for 1.5 minutes. It's 1 minute for 1.5 pages. I know, a little confusing. This is why you always label your numerator and denominator, so you know what you're talking about. But that's it, okay? So calculate slope if you want to use rise over run, or if you want to plug in your points into the slope formula, whichever you are more comfortable with. You're going to have just 3 questions on your iReady assessment, and you are definitely ready, so take your time. You're going to show your work, and that's it.